OpenClaw plus Gemma 4 is equal to 100% free AI agents. You can now run a full AI agent on your laptop. No cloud, no limits. This thing reads files, fixes code, automates your whole workflow. It runs completely offline. Your data, your machine. Nobody else touches it. We're going to set the whole thing up today, step by step. Super easy. Let's go. So here's what just happened. Google dropped Gemma 4, brand new AI models, April 2026. And OpenClaw, an open source AI agent tool, now supports it fully. Put those two together and you've got something nobody really had before. A real AI agent, running on your own machine, doing real work, not just chatting, actually doing stuff like reading your files, editing your code, running workflows across your apps, all by itself. This is not a chatbot. This is a worker, and you own it. Nobody else has access to it. It doesn't call any external server. It just runs right there on your computer. That's a big deal. And I want to break down exactly why and then show you how to set it up. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of Goldie Agency, one of the top SEO and link building agencies out there. While Julian's out there helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here making sure you stay ahead with the latest AI updates. Julian reads every single comment, by the way. So drop something below. He will see it. All right, let's get into this. So first, what actually is OpenClaw? OpenClaw is an open source AI agent framework. It lets an AI model use tools, real tools, not pretend tools. We're talking, read a file on your computer. Done. Edit code in a project. Done. Automate a task across multiple apps. Done. It's basically the brain that tells the AI what to do and then actually makes it happen. Before OpenClaw, if you wanted an agent like this, you were dependent on someone else's server, someone else's rules, someone else's infrastructure. Not anymore, because now you've got Gemma 4 running locally through Ollama, and OpenClaw connecting to it, and the whole thing lives on your machine. That's the shift. That's why people are excited. Now let me talk about Gemma 4 for a second, because this model is genuinely good. Google released it in April 2026. It's open. You can pull it and run it yourself. And it comes with stronger reasoning than the older Gemma versions, a bigger context window, and multimodal support. That last part matters. Multimodal means it can work with more than just text, images, documents, more complex inputs. So when you pair Gemma 4 with OpenClaw, you're not just getting a text bot. You're getting an agent that can reason, plan, use tools, and handle bigger, more complex tasks. And it's optimized for agent workflows specifically. OpenClaw does something called memory compression, which basically means it keeps things efficient. Less model calls, faster results, cleaner outputs. This stack was kind of built for each other. Now here's something I want you to understand, because this is the part most people miss. There's a difference between a chatbot and an agent. A chatbot answers questions. You ask it something, it replies, you move on. An agent takes action. You give it a goal, it figures out the steps, it executes them, one after the other, on its own. That's what OpenClaw does. It's the layer that turns Gemma 4 from a smart answering machine into something that actually gets work done. So when you type fix the bug in this file, it doesn't just tell you how to fix it. It opens the file, it reads it, it makes the change, it saves it. When you say summarize everything in this folder, it goes through every file, reads them, builds you a summary. That's an agent. That's what this stack does. And if you're serious about using AI to actually scale your work and automate the boring stuff, come join the AI Profit Boardroom. Links in the description. It's the place I built for people who want to use AI to grow their business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours through automation. We go deep on tools like OpenClaw, Gemma 4, and everything else that's actually working right now. If you want to be in a room with people who are seriously implementing this stuff, that's where you need to be. Link in the description. Go check it out. Okay, let's talk setup. Because this is easier than you think, you need two things, Ollama and OpenClaw. Ollama is the tool that lets you run AI models locally. It handles all the heavy lifting, downloading the model, running it on your hardware, making it available as a local endpoint. Step 1, install Ollama. Go to ollama.com, download it, install it, super straightforward. Step 2, pull Gemma 4, open your terminal and type Ollama pull Gemma 4. That downloads the model to your machine.